This is the continuation of 7.5, substituting and solving. Remember the 3 steps: write, substitute, and solve. Okay, so this is a problem solving one. It is on page 384. The table shows how much a company charges for skateboard wheels. Each pack of 8 wheels costs $50. Shipping costs $7 for any order. So you just have to pay that one time. No prime here. Complete the table. So you can see right here, it's 50 times N, that's the number of skates, packs, plus $7. They substituted in. So we're going to do 50 times 2, because N is the cost, plus 7. So $107. $50 times 3, that's taking the place of N, plus 7. So that's 150 plus 7, 157. $50 times N, which is this value right here, the number of packs, plus 7, $207. 50 times 5 plus 7, $257. 50 times 5 plus 7, 50 times 4 plus 7, 50 times 3 plus 7, and so on. This is your value of N. N. Okay? A skateboard club has $200 to spend on new wheels this year. What is the greatest number of packs of wheels the club can order? So right here, they have $200 to spend. $200 falls right here, so they can only order 3 sets. Right here, $150. A sporting goods store placed an order for 12 packs of wheels on the first day of each month last year. How much did the sporting goods spend on orders last year? So we got some math to do here. So this time N is going to be 12. This is going to be 12. We would bring in 12 down here. Okay, but that's every month. So they're going to do that 12 times. So up here, it's going to be 50 times 12 plus 7. So just for 1 month, it's going to be 50 times 12 plus 7. They're going to pay $607 each month. Well, there are 12 months in a year. So we're going to come down here. 50 times 12 plus 7 is equal to $607 for 1 month. Since there are 12 months in a year, we're going to take 12 months times $607. Multiply that total times 12. They're going to pay $7,284 for skates for the year. Okay. What's the error? So 7284. What's the error, Bob? Bob used 3 steps to evaluate 3m minus 8 divided by 8 for m equals 8. So he took m equals 8. He substituted it in right here. Okay. Then he's saying 3 times 8 is 24. So that's correct. I like to go down the page. Like I would like to see that down the page. Ooh, then he subtracted first and got 21. He should have divided first. Should have went like this: 3 times 8 minus 3 divided by 3. First step should have been here: 24 minus 3 divided by 3. Now remember PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication or division. So we did that one. Now we got them right here. 24 minus 1 is 23. Okay, the surface area of a cube can be found by using the formula 6s squared, where s represents the length of the side of the cube. The surface area of the cube has a side length of 3. So we're going to take that right here. Here's 6s squared. 6 times 3 squared. Okay, order of operations tells me to do this first. 6 times 3 times 3 is 9. 6 times 9 is 54 square meters. That cube, by the way, would look like this. 3, 3, 3, 3, everything's 3. So we substituted for 3 right here. We did our exponent and then multiplied. Okay, these should look familiar. Remember the 3 steps. Write, substitute, solve. Okay, so I'm going to start with number 2. 17 minus, we already have it written here, so I'm going to allow you to go 2 times 7. That's 7 right there. Have to multiply first. 17 minus 14, final answer, 3. B squared minus 4 for B equals 5. 5 squared minus 4. 25 minus 4 is 21. Okay, h minus 3 squared. So h is 5 minus 3 second power. Remember, I have to do this first. 5 minus 3 is 2. Now I have my exponent. So 2 to the second power. Final answer, 4. Save the exponent for later. M plus 2m plus 3 for m equals 12. So 12 plus 2 times 12 plus 3. So order of operations tells me I have to do this first. That's multiplication. 12 plus 24 plus 3. Now I'm adding, so I can add them all together. 12 plus 24 is 36, plus 3, final answer, 39. Okay, 4 times 21 minus, right here, 3 times 5. So I got to complete this first. 4 times 21 minus 3 times 5 is 15. 4 times 21 minus 15, 6, 24. I'm going to rewrite this because of this going to the second line. This is a 9n. 7m, so 7 times 7 minus 9 times 5. 49 minus 45. Final answer, 4. Write, substitute, solve. Okay, so we got d squared minus 9k plus 3. D is equal to 10, so I put in 10 squared minus 9 times k is 9 plus 3. So I substituted. Right, substitute, 100. 10 times 10 is 100. Minus 81 plus 3. Left to right. 100 minus 81. If you're unsure, use your calculator. But that's 19 plus 3. Final answer, 22. And number 9, 3x plus 4y divided by 2. X is 7. 3 times 7 plus 4 times y is 10 divided by 2. Go left to right, multiply 21 plus 20, multiply 40, divide by 2. Left to right, looking for multiplication or division. 21 plus 40 divided by 2 is 20, 41. Okay, now an application of this is using the formula for perimeter. This is a rectangle. Remember, I think I showed you this before, length and width. Gives the perimeter P of a rectangle room with a length and a width. A rectangular living room is 26 feet long and 21 feet wide. What is the perimeter? So I can take perimeter equals 2 times L, which is 26, plus 2 times W, which is 21. So 52 plus 42, total of 94. Perimeter is equal to 94 feet. Okay. And this formula, might have saw this in 4th grade, PSSA. C equals 5 times the Fahrenheit minus 32 divided by 9. This is for transferring Celsius to Fahrenheit, the different temperature scales. Okay, what is the Celsius temperature for a Fahrenheit temperature of 122 degrees? So 5 times 122 minus 32 divided by 9. 5 times 122 minus 32, I'm going to take my calculator. 122 minus 32 is 90 divided by 9. First job, left to right, is multiply here. 450 divided by 9, which equals 50 degrees. So when it is 122 degrees Fahrenheit, it's 50 degrees Celsius. Okay? And turn it over. When Debbie babysits, she charged $5 to go to the house plus 8 for every hour. 5 plus 8h is the expression for 5 hours. 5 plus 8 times 5. 5 plus 40, so $45. Slow it down as you need to. C equals 25s squared, where s represents the length of the side in feet. How much will he pay for a square feet of 3 feet on each side? So 25 times 3 squared, 25 times 9, 25 times 9 is $175 is what he's going to pay. Actually, that might be 225. 25 times 9. Yes, this is 225. I was thinking one less than 10. 9, I mean 8. All right. I know this is a long video. Got to divide first. 3/4 plus 5/6. Keep, change, flip. Cross cancel. Nothing, nothing. So it's going to be 3/4 plus 5/4. I'm doing this first right here. 5 times 1. Look at this. We're adding common denominators. 8/4 ends up being 2. Patricia missed 80% on her math test. She missed 4 problems. She scored 80%. How many problems were on the test? So if she scored 80%, that means she got 20% wrong, which is the 4 that she missed. 20% is 4. We don't know this number right here. So I'm going to cross multiply and divide. 400 divided by 20 tells me there were 20 problems on the test. There were 20 problems in the test. What's the value of 7 to the third? 7 times 7 times 7, 343. James and his friends ordered B hamburgers at the cost $4 each and fruit cups that cost $3 each. So $4 for the burgers plus $3 for the fruit. I don't know the final cost. We don't know what value of B is or what F is. This is the algebraic expression. 4B plus 3F.